Feedback and reflection strengthen learning and build confidence. And then lastly, improvement requires intentional leadership and a culture that supports trying, learning, and naputol. Ano ba yung karugtong nun? Learning and naputol talaga siya.
Adjusting, sir.
Adjusting, ayun. Learning and adjusting. So those are the key takeaways for this topic. We now move to thriving through transition. Ano? Ito na. There are two kinds of change. Ano yung difference between changing at saka transition? So change is external, new systems, new process, reorganized structures. So what's happening now in the company is change. Transition is internal. The emotional and psychological shifts people go through as they adjust to change. So as the external environment changes, you as a leader needs to transition from old ways of doing things to new ways of doing things. Usually it starts internally, psychological and emotional shift.